I've been educated, honestly. And when I'm in shop, I always say you are in a difficult terrain, but baby, that when you're survival, your exploits in journalism, a bit more than what maybe you are seeing now. This morning, I've been educated myself because assembly so far no trust idea, or the Bequacoya manusem, and I obebu who are bonfia. I say, Utnasi, na unya sa and church out their may. Now who say, oh yeah, or my content sovereign. Obetimidia Casse, and a Kwame Nkrumah who says, Assam no kind. The JJ when the black man is capable, and the crazy bit by manage. Nimum, they are lucky up to this point. Emma de Bia Kosradi, and it's a leadership, attitude, and a responsibility. A problem for us. You benefited from some of these things. It's difficult for us to correct it.
Okay.
So, Obesha, Adibia Titu ye or my way, a boama nipa, and yesika or quatikwanson. So we see no kwanya, inipa frustrate you.
Okay.
In Tubeshemwa, ya in your Bema Erastus, or even a modern boy, it was evidently clear, one casa on this platform, countless occasion, saying it to the faces of the politicians and politicians then the MPP. But they coming after you say masem, simply because you stated the facts that we need to kill this menace of illegal galamsey. And yes, idea. And who says, "I be killing a simple more money go for me." But you were seen as Obi Asebi, Odeon PPE, and a lot of issues that you have raised here. On mine, quiet, and net galamsey asabe din beam say, a man you call was or no soon call for an abetina biawa na canny for the war. Who you TCC say? Oh, because a Debbie, you intimate idea that Dana and San Recipe results different.